Hey everyone, Mitch here from 506SXS ATV. If you're serious about your Starlink mini setup, subpar accessories like this and like that shouldn't be an option. It's time to upgrade. So check out Parts4Star.com for gear built to perform. Today, we're reviewing two must-have accessories for your Starlink Mini from Parts4Star.com. The power stand with the integrated tripod and a waterproof, hard carrying case perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and remote setups. First up is this portable all-in-one power solution and tripod. This is the Starlink Mini power stand with integrated tripod. This power stand comes with a built-in 45,000 milliamp battery and an integrated tripod legs for an all-in-one compact unit that delivers up to 6 hours of runtime for your Starlink Mini, perfect for all your power needs, whether that be for work or for play or off-grid connectivity. It does it all. It comes with the provided Starlink Mini adapter and even a standard 1/4 inch mount so you can attach your Starlink Mini, cameras, lights, and other gear with ease. It includes a dedicated 30 volt 2 amp outlet just for the Starlink Mini. Also, there's a bi-directional USB-C fast charging port, meaning you can charge your other devices or recharge the unit itself. So let's talk about the construction of this Starlink Mini power stand, because that's one thing that really sets it apart. This isn't a flimsy little gadget tripod that you stick in the ground. The tripod body is made up of heavy-duty aluminum paired with plastic tripod legs, giving a solid, stable base even when the wind kicks up or the terrain gets uneven. The tripod legs also fold neatly into the body, which keeps the whole package compact and easy to transport. The feet on the tripod are designed to grip with rubber pads, so whether you're on wood, concrete, gravel, or dirt, the stand stays planted. There's no wobble once you've got it set up. It feels robust and secure. That's huge when you're relying on a signal outdoors where movement can affect performance. Its rugged construction and IP67 waterproofing means it's protected from the outdoor environments. In real-world terms, that means rain, splashes, or wet ground won't slow you down. This is especially important if you're deploying the Starlink Mini at a campsite, the beach, or anywhere unpredictable weather might show up. It's not a full-size professional tripod, but it performs well above its weight for what this product is trying to do, which is provide a rugged, portable base and a built-in battery all-in-one package. Bottom line is this tripod feels like quality gear, something you'd trust to leave out in the field, set up once, and not worry about. If you want to save some money, use discount code PS40 at checkout for $40 off the tripod. Up next is this waterproof hard carrying case for the Starlink Mini kit and accessories. This case is designed to protect your Starlink Mini, the cables, and the accessories during transport. The hard shell construction helps guard against impacts, while the waterproof seal keeps your gear safe from rain, dust, and moisture. Inside, the case comes with precision-cut foam padding. The interior is shaped to snugly hold the Starlink Mini, the cables, the power brick, and other accessories so nothing shifts around and everything stays organized and secure, making it ideal for travel, storage, or outdoor activities where protection matters. It's been rated highly by users for durability and organization as a storage solution. What really makes this case stand out is the waterproof seal around the lid. It's built to keep the rain, the dust, the sand, and the moisture out, so your gear stays dry no matter the conditions. And the latches, you don't get that flimsy snap that doesn't feel locked when you close this case. It stays secure and sealed. Overall, the construction of this case says one thing. This gear was designed to protect expensive tech in tough environments. If you're thinking about picking up this waterproof hard carrying case, use code R4T10 for $10 off at checkout. Starlink Mini, packed and ready to go. Everything's clean and protected in this hard shell carrying case. The tripod sets up in a matter of seconds. Deployed, ready to go. Push the power on button, wait for the Starlink to boot, connect to your Wi-Fi network, ready to go. Off-grid connectivity anywheres. When you put these two accessories together, the Starlink Mini power stand with the integrated tripod and the waterproof hard carrying case, what you get is a complete upgrade to how you use your Starlink Mini. What really ties both products together is how they focus on portability and durability. You can take your Starlink Mini just about anywheres, rain, dust, rough roads, and still stay connected. So if you travel often, work outdoors, or just want peace of mind when you're on the move, these two accessories are well worth considering. That's my take on both the Starlink Mini power stand with the integrated tripod and the waterproof hard carrying case. Together, they make your setup more powerful, more portable, and better protected. If you found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button for more gear reviews. Please make sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. I love these accessories for my Starlink Mini from Parts4Star.com. Thanks for watching.